guys, if you want to see what I did today, which is this nice look using the goodies or boxes from Walmart. This is not a sponsored video. I just saw that it's very cheap to buy it, and this is the look that I came out today with, not including the foundation of course, but I used almost the majority of the products. I hope you like this video. Just keep watching and I hope you like it. Bye, adios. I'm gonna use those goodies from Walmart. I got those for $9.80 something. And the cool part about this, I'll show you the three boxes that I got. For time for the eyes, latest in the lips, and glow for it. Oh, it's full-size product. So in this one, the glow for it, you get the setting spray, illuminating setting spray for hydration, the Wet n Wild very popular highlighter, the hard candy highlighter, I don't know if I'm focused or what, sheet mask, coconut sheet mask from Found, and the, I don't know from who, but it's a highlighter, illuminating stuff. So all of these are full size. Oh my god, I can't read it from the back. Dear Lord. So we have a Revlon Clips Pumping Lip, Milani, all of them full size. I got them because of the color range. It's nude and I'm a nude person, pink nudie person. So this is perfect for somebody who wants to try something new. My favorite mascara for the moment is this little guy here. If I'm correct, it's $10 and something, almost $11. And I paid $9, like I said, 80 something, $10, whatever. And I got the eyeshadow, I got the lashes from Kiss. Is this one? Yes. Lash Couture from Kiss. Almay eyeshadow that I never used before, and something from e.l.f., which I don't know. Bra Wax Pencil. Oh, I hope it's my color. Whatever. So I'll use those today just to show you. It's gonna be the first time me using those products, except for the mascara, of course, which is my favorite thing. Let's hop in.
We won't go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to slay, it's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
I'm gonna try this one. So para mi transition color, I'm gonna use Fawn. I am going to use this on my crease. Mira cómo se me salen los chifles. Oh my god. I don't see anything, by the way. So I'm still using the same color on my crease and a little bit on the lid. It looks like literally my skin. My skin color. Okay, let's try something different. I think I am going to jump to this one, Cocoa. I'm gonna just push the color, focusing right there, and blend the edges. Okay. Pushing again right there in the corner and blending the edges through the crease. So I think on my lid I'll use this one, and the name is Pink Vison. And I'm gonna use, it's tiny, I'll use this one from my brush tool, my brush set. So I'm gonna just pick up the color like this. Oh. Just dabbing the color right there in the middle of the lid. It's like on top of my eyes, but not sinking in my eyelid. It's just like there. It's weird. Gonna use a little bit of the dark, the last brown that I used. Blend the edges of that color. I just don't like it. I don't like it. Like the eyeshadow doesn't stay in my eye, so I can't. Let me see if I spray the brush. I'm gonna use this dewy setting mist from e.l.f. and just spray it on the brush just to see if it picks a little bit more of the color. Ay, Dios mío, I hope it works. Señor, dame paciencia. Dame que no la tengo. Wow, this is so horrible. The colors literally doesn't stay at all. Because when I try to blend the edges of the lighter eyeshadow, it's just like, it just disappeared. Me está dando la cosa. So, my eyeshadow. It looks like somebody punched me in the face. Literally. The eyeshadow in the middle doesn't pick, like it doesn't stay on my, oh god. It doesn't stay on my eyes. On camera, I saw a little bit of the video that I made before applying the eyeshadow. It looks like I'm having the actual pigmentation of the eyeshadow, which I'm not. Like, si camino, if I walk, it's just the eyeshadow is disappearing. The browns, I don't like the browns. It doesn't blend very well. It's just like a horrible color. I am still gonna try to keep doing this makeup because that's the challenge today, if it's a challenge. But I don't like it at all. At all. So I saw they have, I just don't like it. No, no bueno. No me gusta. Maybelline Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil in Sleek Onyx. That might be a black, of course, right? Wow, wow. This is a very, very, very soft eyeliner. Well, it's a gel, but it's very soft. So what I will do, I will put it in my water. Oh my god, look at this eyeshadow. Oh, okay. So I'll put the black eyeliner in my waterline on the top. After applying that, I'm gonna use this Morphe M207 brush. It's like an angle brush that I'm gonna use just to smudge the eyeliner. You see, I told you, my favorite mascara, it's already disgusting and dry. So of course I'll get the chance to use the other new one. I'm going to do the Kiss Lashes in Little Black Dress, just like a natural, but minky kind of type of lashes. So I'm gonna pop those on. Oy, they come out finally. So they look like this. I'm gonna do Laguna. It's a lighter shade. So I use this Morphe M551. I don't know how, but I'm gonna pick this color here. I never tried this before. I heard a lot of stuff of Wet n Wild. This is so bad. Look at that brush. It's like crazy. It looks crazy. So I'm gonna pick up a little bit of the color here. I like this highlighter. It's really nice. It's really pretty. Oh, hello. Oh, I like it. Dude, my eyebrows, this is supposed to make it stay in place, I guess. So today I'm gonna use one of those bad boys, which I don't know which one. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, this is the Milani. What color is that? Amore Matte. Oh, Amore Matte. Oh, I might put it on the top. I have Maybelline Matte Ink in 15 Lover. Nice too. That is nice too. That's the Maybelline one. Oh. A L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Lip Gloss. What? Pro Matte Gloss. Okay. Okay, still a nice color though. And Revlon Clay's Plumping Lip Cream. Okay. I'll just open this. Do you hear my my son's music in the background? I apologize for that, but it is what it is at home. Oh, it's this type of... It's a nice color. It's kind of sheer. Wow. Kind of like a gloss cream thing. Oh, okay. This is a lip exfoliator. I don't know if you can appreciate how it looks inside, but it literally looks like Vaseline with brown sugar. So you can get the idea. Oh, it's a lip exfoliator. Huh. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Ow. 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 I am going towards the first one, which was the Milani one. Wow, this is so nice. I like this color. I really, really like this color. Wow, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. Should I do the gloss on the top? This is the one that I didn't show because it was a gloss, so now I'm going to use it. This is from Sugar Candy and Hard Candy. Sugar Candy, seriously? I got confused because the name says, the name of the color is Sugar Sugar 1390. What's up with those number stuff? This combination is so pretty. This is the result of today's video with the 4 goodie bags from Walmart. This is so pretty. I like the lips. If you ask me which one was my, well, it's gonna be a lot of them, but which one was my most favorite product that I use from the box? For the moment, the highlighter. Wow. The highlighter, oh my god. It's increíble. Like, it's kind of like a rose gold finish. It's like, it's really pretty. It's really nice. So this is from Wet n Wild. This is the old one, so I apologize. I don't see the new one. This one is one of my favorite mascara for the moment, which it was in the packaging. So this, the Wet n Wild highlighter in 321B. The lip products from Milani. Need to try it because I think it's gonna be too dry. The combination of these two is the best. The hard candy. Oh, it's a. You see, I don't read. This is plumping lip gloss, and it's a plumping serum, which I didn't know. I'm applying serum on my lips, which I didn't know. Wow. Okay. So the highlighter is bomb, definitely. The lashes, it's good. It's just like an everyday lashes for me because I'm used to dramatic. Products that I hate, I think you know which one is. It's horrible. Like this eyeshadow palette, it's horrible. This here, it's, you know, I'm not used to buy CoverGirl stuff because a long time ago I was used to do that, like using their liquid foundation, their powder foundation. Like, I know they updated their formula and I think it's better, but eyeshadow wise, I don't even like go to the CVS to buy CoverGirl eyeshadow because I don't like them. I thought that this will be different because I think it's, you know, new compared to years and years ago. But I don't like the pigmentation. It's like caca. What else? The exfoliating is not my favorite. It literally hurts because, honestly, let me change. It's like Vaseline with sand. Not even brown sugar, sand. Is that harsh? Yes. So you have to be careful when you apply this on your lips. It's too much. So guys, I hope you like everything. If not, I'm sorry that I didn't meet your standards. Just a joke. Yeah, but this is the look of the day. I hope you like it. Very nice, right? Pero ¿y qué? Yo no encuentro nada aquí que... Whatever. Ay, Dios mío. ¿Y yo qué tengo que cocinar? Oh my goodness. What else? What else? What else? I do such a mess just to do a makeup.